Alright y'all, I'm back with you again with another review of another jump box. This is a Audew. Come with really good ratings. Everybody says it's a really good box. We're going to find out. This is the same Wagoneer I tried to crank with the previous box. If you haven't watched it, go back and check that video out. Stick around to the end. We're going to see if it'll crank my backhoe. If it'll crank the backhoe, it's a pretty good box. Anyway, it comes in a nice pack. Your clamps. I did call the company. They do not offer any kind of replacement clamps, so if the wires mess up or the clamps break, you have to buy a whole new system. Just wasn't really happy about that, but for $80 off of Amazon, if it works, it'll be well worth the money. Comes with a cigarette lighter plug, charging plug, and an accessory plug for like cell phones, stuff like that. Alright, I'm going to pause it and get everything hooked up. This is the box itself. It's fairly small compared to the other box. It's a 1500 cold cranking amp. Get the zoom, there you go. Alright, be right back with you and get everything hooked up. Alright, like I did last time, I'm going to show you the battery is dead in it. Completely dead. Clamps up. Got a boost button. If the battery's completely dead or no battery, you can hit the boost button. You'll hear it click, letting you know that it's on. Alright, let's see what she'll do. Ooh, that spins it better than a battery did. I haven't been cranked up in a while, so it's a little cold in nature. Alright, well, kind of impressed. I actually slings it over better than the factory battery did with jumper cables. I feel pretty confident it might crank the backhoe. We'll go over there and hook it up and find out. Stand by. Alright, we got it hooked up. As you can see, the negative cable's completely loose on the backhoe. I got it hooked to the kill switch. It's just a tight fit up in here. See if I can get to the boost button. Alright, boost button's on. I don't know if it'll crank this backhoe or not. It pulls a lot of power to crank this. Well, I'll take that back. It's kind of impressive that it cranked the backhoe. Well, that ain't a whole lot I can say about the box other than good. Like I said, for Amazon, you can get it for $80. Audew. Charges fairly fast. So much power it pulled to crank both these vehicles. So as of right now, you see it pulled it down to 79% from 100%. That's cranking this Wagoneer, which was cold start, and cranking a backhoe. I feel pretty comfortable that it would crank several more vehicles before having to be recharged. I'm more than likely to buy a couple more of these boxes just to keep in my vehicles. Anyway, that's my review, y'all. If you like it, please just subscribe to my channel, like it, help me out. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.